Hello, it's Ewan here from Mr. Carrington. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 hacks for packing up your car before you head to a festival this summer. My first tip is to pack things into crates. Not only will they keep everything really tidy, you can also double them up as seats to sit on and little tables in your tent. It's always good to bring lots of bedding to a festival, and you can save some space by laying a duvet on the back seat. Instead of bringing a pillow, just bring a pillowcase and you can pack your coat or some clothes into that. Don't forget to use the space under the seat. It's perfect for storing things like your wellies and big bulky boots. A roll of duct tape can make a really handy drinks holder to keep the car tidy, and also it's great for patching up any holes just in case you get a leaky tent. Line the boot with tarpaulin, it'll keep the car nice and clean, and also if it does rain you can always double it up and use it as a poncho. You can make the most of the space on the back of the seats by adding a shoe rack to put shoes and other bits and pieces. Pack a bucket and pop in there the toilet essentials that you need. A pop-up laundry bin is really handy. It folds up flat and then you throw in all of your dirty clothes. Shower caps are really handy to pop over your trainers if it's muddy. You can also use them to pop over muddy boots before you put them back into the car.